Welcome to Bikesphere, your ultimate destination for automotive passion and power. Today, we are diving into something truly iconic, the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427. A name that defined pure American muscle in the 1960s has roared back to life in the modern era. With raw performance, cutting-edge engineering, and a nostalgic soul, the new Cobra 427 brings back the legend, now reborn for a new generation. A brief history. To understand the 2026 model, we must go back to where it all began. The original Shelby Cobra 427 of the mid-1960s was the brainchild of Carroll Shelby, who dreamed of combining British agility with American muscle. The result? A lightweight roadster with a monstrous V8 engine that dominated racetracks and redefined performance cars forever. Now, 6 decades later, the Cobra 427 returns, not as a remake, but as a revival. The spirit remains the same: lightweight construction, thunderous power, and that unmistakable Shelby roar. Exterior design. The 2026 Cobra 427 stays true to its roots with its curvy, aggressive body lines, round headlights, and wide fenders. But this isn't just nostalgia, it's evolution. The car now features carbon fiber panels, an active aerodynamic system, and a modern LED lighting setup that gives it a futuristic yet timeless personality. The classic racing stripes are still here, cutting through the body with pride. The front grille retains that open-mouth aggression, while the rear gets a subtle diffuser and quad exhausts that hint at the beast underneath. Every curve pays homage to the 1965 original, but every detail is refined for the modern world. Engine and performance. Here's where the Cobra 427 earns its name again. Under that sculpted hood lies a 7.0-litre V8 engine, developed with Shelby American's racing division. This power plant delivers an astonishing 850 horsepower and 920 Newton-meters of torque, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the car offers both purest thrill and modern precision. A lightweight carbon aluminum chassis keeps the weight under 1,200 kilograms, ensuring handling that's razor-sharp and balanced. This isn't just a straight-line monster, it's a driver's dream machine, engineered for road and track. Interior. Step inside, and the 2026 Cobra 427 greets you with a blend of minimalism and luxury. The cockpit still feels like a race car, compact, driver-focused, and ready to roar, but now features premium leather, digital displays, and custom aluminum trim that merges old-school craftsmanship with 21st-century technology. The retro-style steering wheel, exposed metal accents, and toggle switches remind you of the 60s, but behind them lies a fully digital cluster and an advanced infotainment system. Shelby has found the perfect balance between analog soul and digital precision, technology and handling. To match its power, the Cobra 427 comes equipped with the latest performance tech: adaptive suspension, launch control, traction management, and drive modes that tune throttle response, steering, and stability to perfection. The result is a car that feels wild yet controlled, a modern supercar wearing the skin of a classic. It's Shelby's way of proving that heritage and innovation can coexist, beautifully and brutally. Sound and emotion. One of the Cobra's greatest charms has always been its sound, the deep, growling note that made car enthusiasts fall in love at first reverent. The 2026 model preserves that soul-stirring rumble. Through its titanium exhaust system, the engine sings a thunderous tune that echoes its racing heritage. Every time you push the throttle, it's not just acceleration, it's history awakening. Limited edition, exclusivity and legacy. Only 999 units of the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 will be produced worldwide. Each will be hand-built, numbered, and signed by the Shelby team. Buyers can choose between classic blue with white stripes, crimson red, or matte silver, each symbolizing a piece of Shelby's legacy. Owning this car isn't just about speed, it's about holding a piece of history reborn for the future. Conclusion. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It proves that legends don't fade, they evolve. With its fusion of classic design, brutal performance, and modern technology, the Cobra 427 stands as one of the most emotionally charged machines of the modern era. For enthusiasts, it's a reminder that the spirit of raw, untamed driving still lives on. And as the world moves toward electric silence, the Cobra's roar might just be the last great sound of the V8 age.